Hey everybody out there in YouTube land, Big E, what's going on? The latest installment of my YouTube channel. I know it's been a long time coming, but I'm really excited by this newest development. You might be wondering why I'm in this awesome Tron getup. Well, it was a costume I made last year for Halloween, and I took the kids out trick-or-treating when I wore it, and it was a big hit then, but it was also sort of an inspiration for me as of late. You see, I was in the process of designing a new mod. And a lot of you guys might remember my hot rod mods that I did a long time ago. And they're popular and they work really good. But I wanted to try to make it smaller, and since I have this wonderful 3D printer here, the first one that I've done, I like to call it the Dark Tower. And it's, as you can tell, it's just a little bit smaller. I wasn't quite satisfied because it was a big pain in the neck. It was just a prototype. I had fun putting it together. But this latest mod is what I'm most excited about. I like to call it the RadSpark, the first fully 3D printed e-cigarette design. The interesting thing about it is I put translucent panels in the side, and it was kind of inspired by Tron. The little gem at the end, that hex shape, glows and the edges glow a little bit. And it's only 2 super bright white LEDs in there to achieve this effect, and it looks really cool, especially in person. And I sort of used similar techniques that I used to make this costume to provide the illumination for it. So when I designed it in the computer, and I went through about 3 or 4 designs of the enclosure until I got everything to fit just right. And it's powered by a single 700 milliamp hour IMR battery, 14500 size, and this one's made by Ecig, and it tends to last me all day. And I've got some 10 440 cells, which are about the size of a AAA, and in the near future I plan to take this mod and scale it down to this little enclosure here to make it even tinier, and it'll run off an even smaller battery. And just like this large one, which has the illuminated panel in it, this one is also going to be illuminated, although you can't really tell, but I'll hold it in front of my other mod so you can see. And it also has a translucent panel in it. So let me show you how it vapes. I put on my little tank, e-liquid courtesy top vapor through Mad Vapes. I want to say it's Mad Tobacco is the flavor I've got in the tank today. And let me show you how it vapes. I just put a fresh cardo on it, relatively fresh battery. I put it in this morning. So let's give it a shot. Not bad. Wow, I'm loving this Mad Tobacco. It's great. So anyways, it'll look good when I'm wearing a Tron costume, or if I'm not wearing a Tron costume, if I'm just out and about. It's really handy. I mean, unless you're in bright direct sunlight, you can really see the panel glow. It's just amazing how bright this thing is. So you know you have the button pushed all the way when this thing's lighting up. And it'll grab a lot of attention, and people say, hey, where did you get that? And you can say you got it from Big E. So you saw it here first. 3D printing and vaping going hand in hand. And of course I've got my 3D printed drip tip on there. Or it's not actually a drip tip, it's my deluxe flat tip that I designed. You can download it off Thingiverse. I'll post the link in the informational part of this video. And just keep posted, because in the near future you're probably going to see a lot of these with any luck. Just to give you guys a close-up view of what this thing looks like in operation. Oh God, that's good. Top vapor, Mad Tobacco from Mad Vapes. Good stuff. So please, everybody, let me know what you think of the design. Whether you want to complain about me dressing like a nerd, or if you want to complain about my design or give me suggestions on how to improve it, please drop me some feedback to my channel, and I'll probably get back to you in the very near future. Future looks bright. Thanks again, guys. Take it easy. See you next time. I'm a butterfingers today. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I made this costume last Halloween. It still works. Holy crap. For all you geeks over at Tron Sector who wanted to see the costume, here it is. I'm just freestyling now. Effect. This isn't a special effect. This is legitimately lit up. Here, I'll show you. I'll even turn it on and off. Okay. Light panel on the front's off. The disc, you might have seen this in another video already. Okay. Switch it off. Come back on. Put it on my disc holder on the jacket. And the disc holder can be removed from the jacket. It's not actually integral to the jacket. And in the process of tinkering, as you can see, it's a small little box mod. Hold on. This is how they vape on the grid. I'll try that. Peace out.